Well, I pulled the pump back off of it because I was getting an oil leak here. Unfortunately, I cannot locate an O-ring. So my plan is I'm just going to take a light bead of RTV and go all the way around this and put it back on and hope for the best. I mean, the pump and everything works. Had a water leak, now it's got an oil leak. And yeah, I'm recycling the oil that I pulled out of it because it's still pretty clean. I'm running it through a filter. So a little bit of RTV around here and we'll see what happens. Okay, to make this gasket, I've got two types of gasket maker. I got this Ultra Black, brand new, still in the package. And then I was gifted this Loctite instant gasket. Now I've read both of them and it sounds like they're both just about the same. I would like to use this one because it has been opened before. So yeah, I've already tried poking it down this way. So I got to looking at it. This little handle flips over and then this cap comes all the way off. Well, it did a little bit ago. It's coming. It's coming. Almost there. There we go. And this is what we have. So I'm going to attempt to pull that out. And I believe this is pressurized. So if I can get a little bit coming out, I should be able to use this. Well, I pulled that out and it sort of snapped off. So let's see if I get anything. Yeah, I think this whole can's, yeah, kaput. So I guess we're going to be using the Ultra Black. Well, I really hate opening up a new box, but I was looking around, I found some of this, but listen. Yeah, I think that's just one big chunk of gasket maker in that too. And I guess since we're on the subject of junk, this filter came with the carburetor that I ordered for that pressure washer. It's got a washer in the bottom, and if you ever seen one of them games where you play it and you try to get the thing in the right spot, yeah, junk. Well, I'm grasping at straws here. I thought I had some large O-rings somewhere, so I've been spending some time looking through some part boxes, and yeah, I found them. Unfortunately, none of them fit. So yeah, we're gonna try the sealant out. Okay, so I put a light bead around it, and per the instructions, you just snug it up until it starts pushing out. And then it's been about an hour, so I went ahead and tightened everything down. So yeah, it says not to put any fluid in it until tomorrow. So yeah, and I've got a clean blue rag under here, so when I do fill it up, it's going to sit here for a couple days just to see if I got any leaks of oil. And then we'll just be back to the water leak. All right, just so I give you guys another update on this thing. Yeah, I don't have anything else to work on, so I'm tinkering with this. Well, it's the next day. Manual calls for 120 milliliters of oil. So that's what we've got. Pretty darn close. We're going to fill this up, or put what it says in there. Well, it's too cold to mess with it today, but I'm going to leave it sit probably overnight again. I've got the oil in it, and we're going to see if it leaks again. Yeah, I know it's not under pressure or anything, but hopefully I won't find any splotches in the morning. Well, it's been 24 hours, and good news. Maybe that's just from, yeah, we're gonna live with it. I ain't taking it apart again. And the bad news, I ain't gonna be able to test it because it's just a little bit wet out there this morning and chilly. All right, good morning all. Weather's much better, at least warmer. And I guess the good news, there's no drips. So yeah, it must have just been left over on there. So yeah, let's get this thing down and see if it works again. All right, I think we're ready to try this out again. Too bad I didn't film the first time, but yeah, I got a example over here. So I've got the fuel on. Do a little bit of choke. Carburetor's great. Okay, why? Got to turn the water on. So what's my plan for it right now? Honestly, I'm probably just find a place to store it until I can figure out what I want to use it for. I mean, it works good as a pressure washer. It's just got that leak, but it's not that bad. So it is what it is, but it does seem to work pretty good. All right, guys, this will be the final wrap up. Thanks for watching.